Good afternoon. Today's another Maintenance Monday at Steve's Automotive Specialist. Today we're going to talk about fuel injection services. The majority of cars on the road today offer two types of fuel injection. There's the port injection and then there's the direct injection. Depending on the type of injection your vehicle has, that will determine which type of this service that we perform. The port injection service offers cleaning through the intake manifold ports. This will help clean up the fuel injectors to prevent any drivability or loss of fuel economy. The direct injection engines are a little more complex. Those engines require us to inject the cleaner maybe through the intake tract rather than the manifold. This way the cleaner can make its way through all of the combustion cylinders and clean off intake valves as well as the fuel injectors. We recommend a fuel injection service on port injection vehicles at least every 30,000 miles or every 2 years. However, on direct injection vehicles, we've seen those vehicles have drivability issues with as low as 10 to 15,000 miles. As a result, we recommend performing this service at least every 15,000 miles or every year. Bring your vehicle in to Steve's Automotive Specialist, where we make auto care easy.